Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to welcome you to County Court at Law Number 2. My name is Judge Terrence Holmes. I'm the presiding judge here in County Court at Law Number 2. This morning, we have two dockets. We have our motion to revoke probation docket, and we have our announcement docket. When I call your name, please come forward with your attorney, or if your attorney is not here, we'll wait for your attorney to arrive. If you're on Zoom, when I call your name, just take your mic off of mute. And if you're not represented by an attorney, or if you're representing yourself, when I call your name, please come before the bench by yourself. First two cases are cause numbers 25 CCCR 2338 and cause number 25 CCC 3R, CCC 2339. Both cases are style of state of Texas versus Nadia Lopez. Ms. Lopez is appearing via Zoom. Ms. Lopez, you can take your mic off of mute. Ms. Lopez, how are you doing?
Good. How about yourself?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Ms. Lopez, you're represented in your cases by your attorney, Attorney James Paget. He's present in court. Mr. Paget, how are you doing?
Doing well. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. State is represented in these cases by Attorney Farrah Nixon. Attorney Nixon, how are you doing?
I'm good, Your Honor. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Paget, what is your announcement? What are your announcements in Ms. Lopez cases?
Your Honor, we are in the process of completing discovery. This is my initial appearance. This would be Mr. Williams' case, and he has made an offer on both cases. So if you would allow me time just to complete discovery, I will relay the offer to my client, and I'll let Mr. Williams know.
Okay, give us a reset date. Okay, these cases will be reset till May 6th of 2026 at 9 a.m. May Ms. Lopez, your cases will be reset until May 6th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. On that day, you need to be here in person. Okay?
All right. Thank you so much.
Okay, you're free to go, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, you too.
Thank you. Next three cases are cause numbers 26 CCCR 0022, cause number 26 CCCR 0024, and cause number 26 CCCR 0058. All three cases are style of the state of Texas versus Brian J. Tyson. And Mr. Tyson is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Tyson, how are you doing?
Doing fine.
That's good. Mr. Tyson, you're represented in your cases by your attorney, Attorney James Paget. And Mr. Paget, what are your announcements in Mr. Tyson's cases?
Same announcement, Your Honor. This is our first appearance, and I'm gonna, before I leave, I'll give an offer on all three cases, and then I'll let the prosecutor, I'm not sure who's the case is assigned to.
It's Cornelius Williams.
Okay, well, he comes back, I'll get an offer from you.
Okay.
Same day is fine, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Tyson.
Yes, sir.
Your cases will be reset until May 6th at 9 a.m. County Court at Law Number 2. On that day, you need to appear in person, stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. And you're free to go, and you have a blessed day.
You too, sir.
Thank you. And Mr. Paget, let's see. These are your only
Yes, Your Honor.
two clients? Okay?
May I be excused?
Yes, you
Your Honor?
may be.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Ms. Nixon. What do you want to be now? What's in that? Okay, let me see this. You know, sometimes this is easier. Get done without what you got. I get you. I'm here for again, whatever the rules are. No dog,
Mark Wesley Owens. So Owens, would you please come forward? Okay, Mr. Owens, your full name is Mark Wesley Owens?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how are you doing, Mr. Owens?
Good.
I'm doing fine. Now, Mr. Owens, you're representing your case by your attorney, Ryan Matuska, is that correct? Well, I need to inform you that Attorney Matuska is no longer practicing law on the state side. He has taken a job as a federal public defender. And so we have to assign you another attorney. Okay?
Okay.
And so the next attorney, was that an appointment or was that
That was retained.
that was retained? Okay, he said, I think Matuska said that he was going to refer this case out to somebody. Can we contact?
I can-
take a voter safety report. That's what he told him. That's what I'm right here.
I
They told the prosecutor.
don't have any notes about that. Let me look. I can call his office.
Yeah, probably because he was supposed to refer it out.
Yeah.
Okay.
He's a-
Yeah, just have a seat.
Yes, sir.
We'll call you back up.
Thank you. Case was presented to me, that was the felony. And she's right here, just wanted to let you know.
Okay.
It's on the MTRP down.
She has a misdemeanor MTRP and a felony MTRP.
Felony,
I see somebody says felony and it has the MTRP. There's a number on the docket.
oh, yeah, I guess it is. And it was presented to me.
Well, I mean,
Oh.
we don't have to, we got just two MTRPs. We could I mean, Claude E. Monroe, where is Mr.? Oh, okay. You handling it, okay. This is cause number 26CCCR 0156. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Claude E. Monroe. Mr. Monroe, is that your full name? Mr. Monroe, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Mr. Monroe, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Monroe? That's good. Ms. Monroe, you represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Alvin Samuel. Mr. Samuel, how are you doing?
It's a great day, sir.
That's good. Now, Mr. Samuel,
Yes, sir.
do you waive a record in Mr. Monroe's case?
Yes, we do, Your Honor.
Mr. Monroe, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Claude E. Monroe, on or about December 18th of 2025, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class B misdemeanor offense of theft. Mr. Monroe, do you understand what you have been charged with?
Yes, sir.
To this charge, Mr. Monroe, how do you plead guilty, not guilty, no contest?
No contest.
Okay, he put his initials on the line that said guilty.
No contest.
Either one.
No contest.
Okay, so we're gonna have to change it. He gotta change his initial. Here you go. Oh, just relax. You're gonna have to, he put his initials on the guilty line. He's gonna make a change. So you have to read it.
Okay. Yeah, it's on the.
Let me make sure, I think she may have to, let me see the plea form. You have to change the plea form right here. Guilty, you're gonna have to erase that and change it to no contest. Is that, let me see, sometimes you gotta, yeah, okay. Okay. Okay, now, Mr. Monroe,
Yes, sir.
you're pleading no contest, is that correct? Now, you're pleading no contest freely and voluntarily.
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, Mr. Monroe, I also have before me on page 3 of this document. Let me see, on page 1 of this document that's titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 2 of this same document, there's, let's see, it's just, your initials are on a line next to a box that's checked no contingent, which means no contest.
Yes, sir.
You place your initials on this document.
Okay.
Okay, on page 3 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that's titled defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
On the next document that's titled trial court certification of defendant's right of appeal, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature? At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, sir.
The second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, sir.
I also have a document on paper that is titled Discovery Certification. You recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line as titled defendant? Now, Mr. Monroe, before you signed and initialed all of these documents that I'm showing you, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir.
And did you understand what your attorney went over?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Monroe, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
State, would you like to offer State's Exhibit number 1 into evidence?
So offer, Your Honor.
Any
You have no
objections?
objection?
No objections. State's Exhibit number 1 will be admitted into evidence. And Mr. Samuel, you have advised and counseled Mr. Monroe. Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, sir, Your Honor.
And Mr. Monroe, your attorney, Mr. Samuel, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Monroe, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
The sentence terms are as follows: 4 days in county jail, when served, when actually served, and all costs should be taxed and retired.
Okay, Mr. Monroe, the state is offering that you serve 4 days in the Jefferson County Jail, but you would not have to serve any more time in the Jefferson County Jail because you've already served 4 days in the Jefferson County Jail. Therefore, you'll be given credit for the time that you've already served. The court costs in this case will be taxed and retired. That simply means that the time that you have spent in jail has already paid off the court costs. Therefore, the court costs will be taxed and retired. Now, Mr. Monroe, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yeah.
Do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Monroe, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Mr. Monroe, you'll stand at the end of that table, follow the directions of the bailiff. Once you're finished following the directions of the bailiff, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day. Mr. Sam, you're free to go as well, and
Thank
you
you,
have a
sir.
blessed day. You're welcome.
You have a great day. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, you're welcome.
Have a good day.
today.
Okay. Okay. Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. Court is in session in cause number 25 CCCR 1152. Case is filed in the state of Texas versus Eric Zavala Tenorio. Nick, let me see. Hold on. I need to see if we got bond conditions in these cases. Tenorio. Tenorio. Gal, that's Landry. Yeah, I don't see no bond conditions. Yeah, give me some bond conditions. It's a terrorist threat. Look at the PC, yeah. Okay. Okay. Now, Miss Simmons, uh, what's your announcement in Mr. Zavala Tenario's case?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm standing in for Mr. Galmore on this case today. The client is aware of that. He does have a felony MTRP set this afternoon that will be present on, so we're asking if we could postpone an announcement on this case to have it following a felony MTRP. And that's set this afternoon.
What is this felony? What type of offense?
It is evading or.
Evading. Okay. This is, okay. Mr. Zavala Tenorio. Let's see. Your case is gonna be reset with your felony. I know you have a felony hearing, a felony set this afternoon. Depending on what happens with that felony, if you get another court date, we're gonna reset this case with that court date. Okay?
Yes.
So you'll be free to leave. However, I need to give you some bond conditions. You'll be able to get a copy of these bond conditions before you leave. And I'm reading the document that is titled Standard Bond Conditions in County Court at Law Number 2. And it states following return of a criminal information in County Court at Law Number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas. All bail bonds, executed release of any defendant named herein are ordered subject to the additional conditions. Number 1, the defendant shall commit no offense against the laws of this state, any other state, or of the United States. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, Your Honor.
Condition number 2, the defendant shall submit to testing for drugs and alcohol at any time as directed by the court. The court may revoke the bond and order the arrest of any defendant who A, refuses to submit to a test for drugs and alcohol when directed to do so by the court, or B, submits to a test for drugs and alcohol, and the test indicates the presence of drugs and alcohol in the defendant's body. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, Your Honor.
And condition number 3, the defendant shall not communicate either directly or indirectly with the alleged victim. In this case, hold on a minute. And the alleged victim in this case name is Manuel Zavala. All right, that's your father, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
So you shall not communicate either directly or indirectly with the alleged victim, Manuel Zavala, on the pending offense, and the defendant shall not go near any residence, school, or other location frequented by Manuel Zavala. Okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
And number 4 does not apply. However, number 5 does apply. Number 5 states that the defendant shall wear a global positioning monitoring system device at the defendant's expense with written verification being submitted to court within 3 days. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Now, you'll be able to get a copy of these bond conditions. Want to get a copy of these bond conditions. She also can give you information on where you can get the GPS. All right.
I already have the GPS.
You already have it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good. Okay, so you're just gonna have to maintain that GPS while you know what? We need to get a copy to your attorney of the paperwork showing that you have the GPS, and they can get it to us so we can put it in your file.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right?
That's fine.
All right. So once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
I don't believe we'll have a reset just yet, Judge.
Oh, that's right. We're just gonna give you a copy of the bonds condition and you'll be free to go. And then once we get a court date, we're gonna send it to your attorney. Your bonds will stay in contact with your attorney and your bonds. Okay?
Thank you, Judge.
All right, you have a blessed day.
Yes.
Christopher Jason Landry.
This is it then.
That's it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Landry.
On this matter, Your Honor, the state is going to respectfully request an additional two weeks. It is still doing research on for disqualification of the
firm.
Galmore of the firm, Judge, on this matter.
Oh,
And the research has not been completed, but I would have a motion in within a 2 weeks based upon from the grounds which is revealed within the research, Judge. We think there's an inextricably intertwined confliction of interest, and that will be the basis, but as 2 weeks for the state to file its motion, Judge. and then to give defense counsel the appropriate time to respond.
With respect to that, Judge, if I may, I know he's asking for 2 weeks. We're gonna still need time to respond and obviously have a hearing set on it.
Sure.
I'm not working this case, Mr. Galmore is, so I'm standing in on his behalf, which the client is aware and does have his permission. But if we could have a little bit more than 2 weeks to give time for response and absolutely have a hearing on the matter.
So we want to hear.
You want to push it,
Okay, yeah, we've had
The
hearings on.
Recent, that is May 6th.
no, I'm sorry. I think it may need a little more.
Longer than that.
Yes, ma'am. I mean, respectfully, Judge, we'll get ours in within 2 weeks, but it seemed relatively novel within our office and our research.
Okay, we got May 13th or the 20th.
13 should be
13th.
fine, and if they need additional time, we want.
Yeah, you can check your schedule. I need to give him some bond conditions too.
If we could do that while I'm pulling up the calendar and let down.
Okay.
Mr. Galmore's availability. You said May 13th and 20th?
May 13th.
Your Honor, both Mr. Galmore and myself are expected to be in federal court May 13th. If we could ask for May 20th.
No objection.
Okay, hold on a minute.
She's next door. You want to do what's that one? I mean, he's in jail. No, just came from across the street, not 3 years. Probation. Yeah, she witnessed.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. Six. So, okay, Mr. Landry. I have some bond conditions that I'm going to read. You'll be able to get a copy of these bond conditions. And it states standard bond conditions in County Court at Law Number 2. Following return of accruing information in County Court at Law Number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, all bail bonds executed for release of any defendant named herein or ordered subject to the additional conditions. Number 1, the defendant shall commit no offense against the laws of this state, any other state, or of the United States. Do you understand that condition? Condition number 2, defendant shall submit to testing for drugs and alcohol at any time as directed by the court. The court may revoke the bond and order the arrest of any defendant who A, refuses to submit to a test for drugs and alcohol when directed to do so by the court, or B, submit to a test for drugs and alcohol when the test indicates the presence of drugs or alcohol in the defendant's body. Do you understand that condition? And condition number 3, the defendant shall not communicate either directly or indirectly with the alleged victim. Is that Jacelyn Landry of the pending offense, and the defendant shall not go near any residence, school, or other location frequented by the alleged victim. Do you understand that condition? Now, condition number 4 does not apply. That only applies in the DWI case. However, condition number 5 does apply. Condition number 5 states the defendant is prohibited from possessing a firearm ammunition unless defendant is a peace officer as defined by section 1.07 of the Penal Code, actively engaged in employment as a sworn full-time paid employee of a state agency or political subdivision. Do you understand that condition? Now, Mr. Landry, if you violate any one of these conditions, your bond can be revoked. And if your bond is revoked, a warrant will be issued for your arrest. You'll be arrested and placed in the Jefferson County Jail. And do we have a court date?
I believe we agreed to May 20th, Your Honor.
Okay, so Mr. Landry, your case will be reset till May 20th at May 20th, 2026 at 9 a.m. You could get a copy of your reset and your bond conditions. Once you get a copy of your reset and your bond conditions, you'll be free to go. And you have a blessed day. And Ms. Simmons, you're free to go as well, and you have a blessed day.
Judge.
Of course. Yeah, I would use
Hi, Judge, have a good day.
Works and you. Did we find out anything on Matuska?
Your Honor, I will have to, so he's currently in court, I will have to speak with him. I'll have to speak with him.
Okay,
Once he get done with court, I think this matter, I just need to confirm some things that I neglected to put into
okay,
the note section, that's all.
okay. Okay, let's see. Did you already do a dismissal on Ryan? No, did y'all check Ryan Iverson? That's the one that Mark Faggot said, felony was dismissed and misdemeanor was supposed to be disposed through the felony? Terrence Court at Law Number 2 is in session, court is in session. In cause number 25CCCR 1370. Case is style of State of Texas versus Jeremiah D. Fobbs. Mr. Fobbs, is that your full name?
Yes, ma'am.
How you doing, Mr. Fobbs?
Doing good.
That's good. Mr. Fobbs, you represented your case by your attorney Tom Burbank. Mr. Burbank, how are you doing? And Mr. Burbank, what is your announcement as to Fobbs' case?
Asking for a reset, Judge. We were just over in criminal district court. And I think that will be dispositive of everything. I think it's been reset for a couple weeks. No, I don't know. I did not receive a
Let me see.
reset. Well, wait a minute. We did. April 14th,
April
but it's at
14th.
1:30.
Okay, we'll set it at nine, let me see, April 14th. What day of the week is that?
It's the day after the 13th.
He said April 14th.
April 14th.
That's what it said?
Yeah, what day of the week is that?
No, Wednesday.
Okay, he's at 1:30.
So why we said it April 15th?
No, we just set it on the same date. We just put it at, we'll have it at 1:30. And so he'll go take care of his felony. And once he finishes the felony, he'll come down here.
I appreciate that, Judge.
Okay,
It got separated today because technically it was at 1:30 today. Yeah, but they took them today at 9:00,
okay, so that's April
14th,
14th
1:30.
at 1:30. Okay, you can get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
May I be excused?
Yes, you may.
Thank you.
May I pressure?
You have a case on the docket?
I do. It's, I have a felony case that is attached misdemeanor. I've yet to file in on the misdemeanor, but I'm going to today.
But hold on, because he's not set today. Let's see
He
if
is
the,
Jeremy Broussard.
oh, Broussard, I did see a Broussard in the back. Yeah, they didn't have an attorney on it.
I'm
Okay,
gonna change that today.
okay, Jeremy Broussard.
Thank you, Joe. All of them. Your Honor, we just left felony court and there's an attached felony case to this that has been reset for July 13th, and we'd ask that this case be reset on that date.
It's 3 months away. No, we're not gonna reset it that far out. Let's see.
And it's
The
set-
felony is set 3 months out. We don't set our cases that far out. Let me see. This is Jeremy Allen Broussard.
Let me see your reset.
Broussard.
Say no.
Yeah, hold on a minute.
Your Honor, he works offshore, so if we could have it line up on the same day, that it'd save him.
What's his schedule?
What is your schedule? 2 weeks out, 1 week home.
Oh. Okay, we need to find give him a 45-day reset. And let's see if that coordinates, this is
Jeremy
Mr. Broussard. He's the last person and we need to get a letter of representation from Mr. Bailey.
Yes, Your Honor. I'll do that today. Can you put in the notes that the next felony setting is July 13th?
You say July 13th?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So that way.
Yeah.
I remember off the top of my head next time when you're.
And what's this case? What's the date on this case?
It'll be, May 13th,
That's not a May 13th, that's a Wednesday.
Wednesday, yeah.
do the next week.
The 20th.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, you're looking at your schedule.
Yes, Your
The
Honor,
20th.
that works for me.
Okay, we'll put it on May 2026, and that'll work with your schedule too.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you'll get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge.
And Mr. Miller, you're free to go as well. Thank you. You make a note that Attorney Bailey is following a letter rep.
Is this for?
Jeremy.
I'm sorry. What's this for?
This is sorry. He's the last one on the docket.
Okay.
Okay, go to be recess. You can I think you was talking to me. Okay, this is cause number 23 CCCR 0624, case of style of state of Texas versus Jamal Joseph. Mr. Joseph, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Joseph? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Joseph, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Marvin Provo. And Attorney Provo, how are you doing?
I'm doing fine.
And the state is represented in this case by Attorney Farrah Nixon. And Ms. Nixon, I have before me a motion to dismiss this case. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And Mr. Joseph, I'm signing this motion to dismiss. You'll be able to get a copy of this motion in order to dismiss this case from our court coordinator. Once you get a copy, you'll be free to go. And you have a blessed day. I think he pled on a felony case, is that
Yes,
correct?
Your Honor.
All right. So this case, I just signed a dismissal. Mr. Joseph, you can get a copy to dismiss from our coordinator. Once you get a copy, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. And Ms. Provo, you're free to go as well and you have a blessed day. Thank you.
Yeah, Mom. And I'll send you the link to get them.
Yeah, I like to go out there. This is.
You know, This is like. I'll start pulling them. I'll probably send you a link.
Ms. Jones is, oh, that's Perazo's case.
Yeah, you don't think you're right. I don't need to. You're welcome. Okay, send me this document. Okay. I'll see one. No, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do the same way for me. She hasn't been.
When I do the, I'll go.
Okay. But she. That's why. Oh, what do you mean? But since she get the break, it's not complicated. I'm like.
There's probably a hole on this guy, Ruben.
Supposed to get a dismissal. I got some. Well, that's probably how long it got. Okay. You want me 3 to 1? Yeah, I mean, in the spot. Tomorrow.
Miss Nixon,
Oh, you want to do that?
Yes, sir.
did you
Yeah,
confirm
yeah.
the Iverson, this guy Ryan Iverson? That's the one that Fagger said
I think that.
that was already dismissed?
No.
Oh, it's not.
Has he not? Okay.
But
I thought he did. I don't, I think that might be where he is trying to verify. But.
Okay.
Who?
Still gonna be. Was it the last one on? Is that?
No.
Oh,
No.
no, we have Miss Delage,
Okay.
we got Faggard case.
I guess.
We still on Mr. Owens. We hadn't found out anything on Mr. Owens. That was Matuska. Oh, that's right. They said Cornelius said he had talked, well, he had contacted him. He's in court and I think he's gonna contact him when he get out of court. That's on that one. Let's see. Let's see. And then we have Miss Perazo. She's in the back talking to Mr. Williams on Jones case. And still need to waiting on Marcus Hoops. Right. Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. Court is back in session in cause number 25 CCCR 2034. Case is style of state of Texas versus Christopher Lee Allen. Mr. Allen, is that your full name? Ms. Allen, would you please raise your right hand? Ms. Allen, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Mr. Allen, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Allen? That's good. Now, Mr. Allen, you're represented in case by your attorney, Attorney Jennifer DeLodge. And Mr. DeLodge, how are you doing?
Pretty good, Judge. How about you?
I'm doing fine. And thanks for asking. Do you waive a record in Mr. Allen's
So
case?
waived, Your Honor.
Mr. Allen, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled Information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Christopher Lee Allen, on or about July 15th of 2025, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense of criminal trespass of a habitation. Mr. Allen, do you understand what you've been charged with?
Yes, sir.
And to this charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily? And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges? Mr. Allen, I also have before me on my computer a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment. This document is also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. Do you recognize this document? On page 2 of this same document, there's a set of initials CA on a line next to a box that's checked no contingent, which means no contest. You place your initials on this document. On the next page of the same document, there's a signature above the line that is titled Defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
And on the next document that's titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes, sir.
At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes.
The second box that's checked states that you are waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes.
Do y'all have that discovery certification?
We do, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. I also have a document that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
Is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant? Mr. Allen, before you signed and initialed these documents, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes.
And did you understand everything that your attorney went over? Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Allen, are you a citizen of the United States?
State law for State's Exhibit 1.
No objection.
No objection. State's Exhibit Number 1 will be admitted. Mr. Lodge, you have advised and counseled Mr. Allen. Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
And Mr. Allen, your attorney, Mr. Lodge, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with her representation?
Yes, sir.
Has she provided full, effective, and competent legal representation? Mr. Allen, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
The following such terms are, the such terms as follows: 96 days in county jail, time served, time actually served, and all court costs to be taxed and retired.
Okay, Mr. Allen, the state is offering that you serve 96 days in Jefferson County Jail, but you would not have to serve any more time in the Jefferson County Jail because you've already served 96 days in Jefferson County Jail. Therefore, you'll be given credit for the time that you've already served. The court costs in this case will be taxed and retired. That simply means that you will not be required to pay the court costs because the time that you have spent in jail has already paid off the court costs. Therefore, the court costs will be taxed and retired. Mr. Allen, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Do you think the state's offer is fair and just?
Yes, sir.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes.
Mr. Allen, I'll follow plea bargaining agreement that you have entered into with the state. Now, Mr. Allen, you stand at the end of that table, follow the directions of the bailiff. Once you finish following the directions of the bailiff, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Lodge, you'll be free to go. And before you leave, you and your family have my condolences.
Judge, I appreciate it.
You're welcome. And you have a blessed
also
day.
have a blessed day.
Okay.
Thank you.
On your mind, yes.
The door is locked, right?
It wasn't.
Mr. Judge, I'm preparing.
Okay. Okay, we'll call you back up. Okay. Soon as you get it, we'll call you back up.
Okay.
That's why we got the juries. This is
And he was there.
Travis Gage, cause number 25 CCCR 2342.
Do an interim. See about getting it in.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, this is cause number 25 CCCR 2342, Casey Styles, State of Texas versus Travis Gage. And Mr. Gage, is that your full name?
Yes.
How are you doing, Mr. Gage? That's good. Mr. Gage, you're represented by your attorney, Marcus Wilkerson. And Ms. Wilkerson, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Judge. Thank you.
That's good. State is represented in this case by attorney Cornelius Williams. Mr. Williams, how are you doing?
Very well, thank you, Your Honor.
And Mr. Wilkerson?
Yes.
What is your announcement in Mr. Gage's case?
Judge, this case I think is gonna need to be put on the trial docket also, and I'll file the paperwork, but I'm gonna need an independent evaluation by Dr. Capon, not for competency, but regarding potential affirmative defense. It appears that this may have been related to a seizure, so
Okay,
I'll file that paperwork
okay,
and then we'll get that process started.
okay. Give us a reset date.
So it is going to try that.
Yes.
Do you want to go ahead and put it there, or since I've got to file that paperwork?
We're gonna put it
I
on
was gonna
pre-trial
ask them to
conference.
put it to, for a 2-month date, then that'll give us
Oh,
time.
we're gonna do a pre-trial conference, so give him time to file this motion.
It'll be May 4th.
Okay. Pre-trial. Okay, so this case will be placed on pre-trial conference docket for May 4th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Mr. Gage, you get your reset from our coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free. And Mr. Wilkerson, once you get your reset, you're free to go as well. You have a blessed day.
All right.
Mr. Wilkerson, you have a blessed day, Mr. Gage.
If there's something, let's go. Let me know.
Yeah, and he, well, he hasn't, he's.
Did we get that dismissal?
Done with that dismissal.
Okay, this is, excuse me. This is, Mark Wesley Owens, clause number 25 CCCR 1268. And Mr. Williams, what were you saying regarding Mr. Owens' case?
Yes, Your Honor, I've been speaking, although Mr. Matus was over at the federal court, we had worked out a prior arrangement, Judge, that I did not put the notes in the system. And it should be a JP reduction. I just need to get it down there to the court. It will be, chances are, not chances are, the matter will be dismissed prior to the next sitting. I just have to send it down there. And
Oh, you're
yeah,
talking
Ms.
about-
Matuska clients know just where and when to go and pay, Judge. I just hadn't done it.
okay. So you're gonna send it to one of the JP courts?
Yeah, I don't know which, yes, sir, I don't know which one, Judge, and
Yeah,
to send it, I don't know. Before we used to call it in before Odyssey, and I'm not even certain how it works now.
oh, you're talking about calling in,
Oh, yeah, just call it down to the JP court, then they would do it, but I'm not certain how.
yeah, I think it has to be in that precinct. I think that's the way it worked, wherever the offense occurred, whatever precinct,
Yes, sir.
they usually, that JP would get it. Let me see something real quick. Taylor's Bayou. Leon's Landing. Where is that?
Ah,
What part of that is it? Finette.
Beaumont.
Yeah, but it's in Finesse, so that's probably gonna be
What?
oh, what's his name? Miss Shashawn. That's Shashawn's, yeah. Okay. Yeah, it was Texas Parks and Wildlife case.
I'm thinking.
No, once, yeah, I think
Let's just
basically.
get it down. I'm sorry, go ahead, Judge.
Yeah, basically what he'll do is, he'll call it into the JP and you'll go, pay the fine into JP, fine and court costs, and then you get that receipt showing that you paid to your attorney will get it to the DA. And then the DA, once they verify it, they'll dismiss the case. And so what we're gonna do, we're gonna give you a court date to give them time to get the case to the JP, give you time to get it paid. And then if it's paid before this court date, you won't have to come back here. Do you understand?
Yeah. I just know that they ain't been really in the office. That's what the paralegal told me.
Oh, you talking about,
That the attorney's office, who did I send that to? There was.
no, you would have to go to the JP to pay it. Well, his attorney can pay it on his behalf too. That's the same, in a Class C misdemeanor,
Right.
they can do that too, so.
You know, after you pay it, just give Ron.
Okay.
And Ron, give me a call. We'll work it out. Okay? Okay.
All right, so we're gonna reset him. How much, what,
We got Easter this week, Judge. It can be just a regular reset. I'll get it done.
yeah,
hopefully
let's
today,
get it
Judge.
done this month.
This month,
Yeah, in April,
so April 29th.
That's fine.
yeah.
It'll be done before. I'll get
Yeah.
it done.
That's good.
And I'll have Ron.
Yeah, that's what
Okay.
April 29th,
Then I'll let you.
2026.
It's over the field.
So if you get it done before that, you like, for example, you get it done next week. And they get that information, it'll probably be dismissed next week. Okay, so you don't have to wait till the 29th. That's what I'm saying.
You don't want me to go to it, do it.
I'll send Ryan, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm pretty be dismissed.
Yeah, oh yeah, you're gonna get your reset
Yes, sir.
and then you're free to go.
Thank you.
All right, welcome. Oh, you have Jones?
You can come up.
Who do you need to come up? Oh, Mr. Owens? Yeah, Mr. Owens, you could get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you. You too.
Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. Court is in session. Calls number 25-CCCR 1682. Case is style State of Texas versus that Jones or John A. Jones?
Shawnee Jones.
Janae Jones. And Ms. Jones is appearing via Zoom. Ms. Jones, how are you doing?
I'm blessed and you.
I'm blessed as well. Now, Ms. Jones, you're representing your case by your attorney, Attorney Laura Barrazo. Ms. Barrazo, how are you doing?
Doing well, Your Honor. Thank you.
That's good. Now, Mr. Williams, I have before me a motion to dismiss this case against Ms. Jones. Is that correct?
That is correct, John. The state is of the firm belief that the substantive ends of justice and the better interests of the children will not be served by the continued prosecution of this matter, Your Honor. Therefore, we humbly request that the court grant the state's motion to dismiss.
Okay, court will grant the motion to dismiss. And court has just signed the order. And Ms. Barrazo, you'll be able to get a copy of this order.
Yes, sir.
And Ms. Jones, this case has been dismissed. You're free to go. And you have
Thank
a
you, Your
blessed day.
Honor.
You're welcome.
And I'll send you a copy of the dismissal.
Thank you, Ms. Barrazo.
You're welcome.
All right, you have a blessed day.
You too.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Oh, Jesus.